Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
It's time now for our market drivers, and Nora Melinda is in our studio. Nora, first of all, congratulations on your assignment as Bloomberg Television's markets correspondent.
Thank you, Scarlett. Happy to join you all. Super excited for what's to come. Let's look at some of the stocks that are on the move this morning.
You did your own intro. See, what a pro.
I try. As we're looking at some of the stocks on the move today, I'm looking at the New York Times, ticker NYT here. Of course, we're seeing shares that are lower, down as much as 3.5%. And this, of course, is after President Donald Trump filed a $15 billion lawsuit against the company. He's accusing the paper of serving as, quote, a mouthpiece for the Democrats. So we did see the New York Times in a statement saying that the lawsuit has, quote unquote, no merit, and it is an attempt to stifle and discourage independent reporting. We're going to have to see how this plays out, but we are seeing shares taking a little bit of a breather right now this morning. Also looking at shares of Oracle, let's pop over to a name that is in the green this morning. And of course, this has really been in focus because of the fact that the US and China could be reaching a TikTok consensus. There's call between Trump and Xi that is upcoming. And so this is actually something that people are really thinking about. Oracle could play a really major part in particular here. And the idea of TikTok being able to continue operations in the US if a framework deal is finalized. I mean, of course, we know this name has really been in the news for quite some time, especially after the aggressive outlook they gave like last week. So, I mean, definitely a name to keep an eye on here.
Right?
Richest man on earth, surpassing Elon Musk, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Have to double check Rich Go to see if that's still the case.
Stock. Yeah, I mean, it's like a back and forth between those two, right?
Oh, for sure. They're duking it out here. Shares of Oracle are up about 85% so far this year. Oof. So, yeah, been on a tear for sure. Another name in the green, Webtoon. That's ticker WBTN.
Sounds like a cartoon company. I know it's not. But
I know. I'm like, it's really interesting. Webtoon Entertainment here. We're seeing shares that are soaring this morning, up pretty steeply here, up as much as 36%. That's the highest intraday level that we've seen since August of last year. And of course, this is after Walt Disney is saying that it's bringing all of its marquee comics to a new digital platform and app in partnership with Webtoon Entertainment. Of course, this is sending shares of the upstart company surging this morning. Great news for them, of course. Who doesn't want to deal with Disney?
Yeah, that's there are worse partnerships to be had.
I know. And so Webtoon is really just like a storytelling technology platform. A lot of people like to go on there and read some interesting work here. They do a lot of long form stories. So it'll be interesting to see how they do this collaboration with Disney here.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.